this is about a frog and it got burned in a fire. We don't want to kill it. So I'm going to speak in froggy language and tell this frog not to go into a fire pit, okay?
Okay.
Frog, ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Ribbit. Okay, so that's how we talk in frog rabbits. We say ribbit. Ribbit. Whoa.
Can you translate in English what you said to the frog? Please.
Frog, don't go in the fire pit. We do fire on it. We don't need to get burned. So next time, don't get in the sand and hide, okay? Ribbit.
So imagine that instead of a frog, there was a birdie, and that is trying to get into the ring because it's a birdie, baby birdie, and it doesn't know. How will you tell the birdie then? Do you know birdie language?
Kee, 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 kee. Kee, 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 kee. Kee, kee.
Oh,
That's how.
is it?
Key.
And what does that mean?
Don't go in the fire pit. We make fire. We don't want you to get killed into meat.
Oh, okay, nice.
Bam! Hi guys, I'm going to pick up a frog and put it next to the stream, okay? There's a frog. What? Where the... God. Oh,
Show the frog. Show. Wait.
So beautiful.
Look.
She's squeezing the frog.
Don't throw it. Let it go. Oh man, it died.
Hey, it did not die.
Never mind. It's jumping above. Where does it go?
oh, I just put it there. And then it jumped away.
Great job, Cass.
Hey, look, it's here. I won't touch it.